Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're making fermented garlic using the FarmSteady Fermented Vegetable Kit. For this recipe, you're going to need 12 heads of garlic. Not cloves, actual heads. So I have to warn you, this is going to be quite a bit of peeling. But just think of it as saving so much time for future you. We're filling an entire half-gallon fermenter because quite frankly, you can never have too much fermented garlic on hand. Instead of chopping a couple cloves of garlic, you can take a spoonful of this and it's ready to go. Fermented garlic is salty, savory, and super garlicky. So you're just going to want to taste whatever you're making before adding additional salt. Now let's get started peeling all this garlic. This recipe calls for 12 heads of garlic. Now time to peel all this garlic. First, we're gonna break them apart, and then we're going to have to peel every single clove. Peeling this garlic is going to take quite a bit of time, but you're saving your future self tons of work, and we're going to do the chopping in the food processor, so not all of it is going to be super slow. Here we go with all those cloves. Now add all your garlic to the food processor. And pulse until minced. For your brine, you're going to use 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 quart of water. Stir to dissolve. Now let's load up this fermenter with all your garlic. So much garlic. Delicious. Now we're going to top with our brine. For this recipe, we're not using a fermentation weight because it would just sink to the bottom. So you're going to just save that for your other batches, and today just top with a lid and airlock. Once your garlic's done fermenting, you're going to want to move it into the fridge and store in the brine. We make a large batch of this to start because we use it all the time, and then as it kind of shrinks, we move it into smaller and smaller jars, and we know it's time to start another batch. For more recipes and all our DIY fermentation kits, check out FarmSteady.com, and we have tons of new great videos coming out this season, so please subscribe, hit that alert button, and see you back here for more videos.